costal breathing. So now we're going to focus more on our rib cage movement. As I inhale, I'm going to place my hands on my lower rib cage, and I'm going to try to expand my lower ribs to the side walls into my hands. Inhale. And then as I exhale through the mouth, I'm going to imagine my ribs drawing down and in, connecting to the midline of my body. As I do that, I can also imagine my pelvic bones moving toward the midline of my body to engage my abdomen. I inhale, expand the ribs, not the abdomen. I exhale, ribs draw down and into the midline. Inhale, ribs to side walls. Exhale, ribs and pelvic bones to midline, feeling the lower abdominal contraction.